Everybody, this is Keith Couch with Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Just thought I would show you a 567, just kind of a plain white day cab that we have. That guy wanted it to look just a little nicer than just a solid white truck, and so we just ran it to the body shop, painted the fenders white, or I'm sorry, blue. Painted the fenders blue. So I just wanted you to see it. It's a real nice royal blue, metallic. Just a good looking color. Just kind of wanted you to see they kind of hard line it right down into the valley there. So it gives you a good idea of kind of how they do it and how it changes the look of the truck. Actually looks really nice. Breaks it up, doesn't make it look like all the other white trucks out there. So just a quick little video just to kind of show that to you. See what you think. We can do any color you want. It's an Exalted paint code. They can do it from the factory. Otherwise, if it's something we have here in stock, we can take it to our local body shop, paint any paint code you want. So it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877 is my cell phone, or you can email me at couchk, C-O-U-C-H-K, @rushenterprises.com. Thanks for watching.